morning, family. This is Uncle Mike 392 out of here at Coffee and Cars this morning, December the 2nd. We got a nice little turnout out here this morning. They're having a Christmas drive over here. Hold on just a minute, got them put the gloves on. Woo, shit. Yeah, I had to get my gloves on out here this morning, guys. It's cold out here. Check this out, man. Ooh, that's nice. R8, my favorite car, one of my favorite cars, R8.
Oh, I can love this thing.
How are you? Oh shit, I saw this one in Ford. He's like, well, I'm going to Florida then. I said, well, just pull his up. Anytime you want to go, I'll go to lunch with you, sir. And I think I saw this. I'll fly. I was like, all right. What is bad Lamborghini? This is the Batman Lamborghini, I think. I see this thing quite a few times. First time I've seen it at the car show though.
He forced me into getting wheels, man. Oh, he forced you. Hey, Felipe, you got to go up to his head.
Yeah, he did.
You gotta buy some.
That's the Brazilian way.
So I do have 21 and a half.
I'll have to check, but I'm pretty sure it is.
So it's going to be the same thing that's out right now.
Yeah. I don't know.
It should be. You told me you knew what it had.
Well, I don't know if it's 11.
I think it is.
Huh?
Oh. I think it's 11. I just want to say that's like no.
Check this white one out, man. Ooh, look at that, man. That's beautiful. Check this blue one out, this Lambo.
Just like that. Yeah. Don't worry about that. Also, look how small. All my damn friends I see your pops up.
Buddy of mine was up in, and he was his pro at.
That's so high I got him. Okay.
He's now in.
So that might have been really good.
Big old intakes, man. There's a Rolls Royce. There's a Viper, two Vipers. Brian, how you doing, brother?
Not too bad.
Nice ride.
Yes, sir. You said black Lamborghini, but right there.
Oh no, I hadn't made it there.
That thing's called a Batman. That thing is badass. Back to Viper. What's going on, brother?
It's like YouTube Inception right
How
here.
you doing, brother?
What's up? How are you?
All right, you see that that Batman?
It's not a Mustang. I'm safe.
Huh?
Pretty good turnout for a
Oh, yeah. I didn't think it's gonna be that much because it's foggy plus it's cold. But
Yeah.
surprised me again, man.
Yeah.
Let me get this motorcycle behind you. What's up, brother? There you go. Here, shout out your channel, man.
So this is my first video,
Okay.
and I've got an arts and crafts channel, but I think I'm gonna name it Okie Dokie Garage because it's kind of my other one. What's yours?
Uncle Mike 392, guys. I appreciate. My name is Uncle Michael, but my channel's name Uncle Mike 392. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Peace out.
And you have a 392. So is that like a Hellcat or
No, it's just a Hemi 392.
392
Charger.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah. Give me a shout out when I get this thing edited down.
Oh, yeah. Take care, brother.
Thanks, brother.
Y'all take care. Make sure you check out your channel so you can see yourself on my channel, man.
All right, we'll do that.
Yeah, I got a lot of subscribers. I got 2,300 subscribers.
Nice.
Yeah, just make sure you check it, and I'll put you in my description.
All right, thanks.
What's up, brother? All right. Ooh. Awesome. Check this out, man. That's that good drink. Tennessee. Viper. This is the Viper. How y'all doing? Got a Rolls Royce back here from Montana. Got a GT4. Ooh, it's a GT4. GT4. I ain't lying. This is a G. I ain't seen a G. This is my first time seeing a GT4. It's a GT4, guys. Wow. Let's see what we got in here.
I wore insulated pants.
This dude been hauling ass, man. His top speed was 158. I don't know where he did it, but he did it. It's right there. It says 158. It's GT4, man. Nice. Check out this Lambo right here. We'll get that in a minute. Let's get that. Look at that GT4. Wow, that's nice. Okay, it's the first time I've seen a GT4.
I wish.
Excuse me, sir. Did it just come out, the GT4?
No, it's been out since 2020.
Really? I ain't never. This is my first time on my YouTube channel seeing one of these.
Oh, really?
My first time, yeah.
They stopped making them in 23 though.
Okay, gotcha. So nice, man. GT4. He said it's been out for a while. This is my first time seeing a GT4. I'm more interested in this than that Lambo. Because I see Lambos all the time. It's the first time I see one of these. Yes, sir. All right, let's go get this Lambo up here. This is the Batman Lamborghini. Look at it. Check out that diffuser down there, man. Man, this thing is nice. Sleek too. Somebody put the handprints all on it. Look at that, man.
Oh, I wonder if the Calhouns are here.
SV. There you go. There's an R8, one of my favorites. That's a GT3 up there. Nice, man. Look at this. From Florida. Miami, that is.
What's funny is I got a box door for one of these motherfuckers in my house, and it's the last one. You got a line? The glove box latch? Yeah. Or the 09 Lambo? It was the last brand new one. God, bro.
STO.
STO.
That's like a yard or no?
There's intake up here. It's nice. Got these fans up there.
I don't know, when the roof is almost as high as my ribs. And I'm short. Yeah, I think someone goes in this one.
Even though I'm an association of electrical contractors. Yeah. I said, it's the in-town delivery stuff, something like that.
Well,
I can see that.
let me ask you this: how do you evacuate a hurricane?
All right. A lot of people out here for a cold Saturday morning, man. This is the Black Widow. Black Widow.
You like the big wheels? You like the big wheels?
Check that out, guys. Nice. There's a thumbnail for somebody on the house. There you go. Good morning. How y'all doing?
How are you?
All right, thank you. There's another thumbnail for somebody on the house. nice, man. Put a lot of money in this thing. Get this air sail, so you know I love